I was not expecting the tea that was happening inside of Dollar Tree. Good morning, guys. I'm at Dollar Tree and I'm very excited to come in here. I feel like it's been a minute. I don't know why, maybe it just kind of has, but this is, I think my last haul was more like cleaning products for the new house. I want to go in here and just kind of like see what's going on with Halloween. I want to look at more of their cards. So yeah, let's go in, get some shopping done.
Come in, you're gonna come over here and yank the door.
Even though every time like I went to press record, the tea stopped, but I still actually don't even know what happened. I just know that I thought that Dollar Tree opened at 8 and it didn't. So I sat around waiting in my car, and then a couple minutes before 9, I get up, walk to the front. There's another gentleman out there and he's on his phone, and he does that. Now that I think about it, he did kind of sound like he was mad, but he was saying something like, oh, but that doesn't make him her boyfriend or something. It sounded personal. And then next thing I know, the lady opens the door, like for it, for 9 o'clock. And I remember walking through it because the gentleman was still on the phone. And I was like, oh, it's not gonna stop me. Whoever's not boyfriend's boyfriend is not gonna stop me from going into Dollar Tree. So I walked in there, and then next thing I know, he gets loud with the lady who opened the door, and I heard some banging. I was grabbing a cart and I saw something shiny in the store. And by the time I turn around, I honestly still have no idea what's going on. I'm the worst storyteller in the world. I think that's gonna be the end of story time today, because it's going nowhere. And I really don't know that there's anything sparkling or some like tea to give you on what happened. I just know that the Pepsi guy and the girl who opened the door had beef with each other. And I don't know what beef that is. All right, moving on. So I'm gonna show you guys what I found from this store, and I think I'm throwing in the clips where I was like gonna do a shop with me, but then that whole thing kind of threw me for a loop, so I stopped. But I really wanted to look at their cards, and I got a couple. I'll show you guys what I got. All right, first things first, I picked up these. If you're new to my channel, I always haul these, and this is how I store my baseball caps. So it's my system. It's been my system for what? You guys have been with me for a long time. I don't know, 6-7 years now. And they're the book rings. I get the extra large so that they can wrap around the bar in the closet, and then I slip the hat through, and then, yeah. And you know me, I've bought more hats, so I had to get more of those. Then I have been looking for these for a while, finally found them. I needed their little collapsible storage systems. I got this color. I usually do like the darker brown, but I just got 4 to start, but I need to organize the closet with these. So I'm probably just gonna put like off-seasonal items or something in here, like bathing suits, I don't really know. I just know that I felt like I really needed them. Okay, next up, I wanted to show you guys that I found 3 new signs, and I pulled one of the signs from my craft room that I've already hauled. So I hauled Hocus Pocus. Like, gorgeous, love this. But then in this store, they had all of these. And you can clearly tell that they are like a collection together. And this is why I say Dollar Tree works in 4s. But like this collection right here, it's giving. I love it. I love the color combos. I mean, I've been hauling from Dollar Tree since 2012. You can go back to some of my very first hauls and watch those items and you will truly see like the craziest jump in Dollar Tree decor and how good they started doing things. Because one of my biggest complaints when I would haul is that they wouldn't get like the color combos right or the font right or word placement right. But lately, these last 3 years for sure, 3 and 4, they've been nailing it. So, and I think my favorite of the 4 probably has to be the bat. The bat and Hocus Pocus, top notch. Okay, then I found these signs. They're yardsticks, they're super cute, love them. You can also deconstruct these. I wish you guys could see this in person because the camera is not doing it justice in the slightest, but the glitter on here is so pretty. Like, I really wish you could see what it's doing. I know that you can see the glitter, but it's still not doing the same thing. Like, Vampire Alley is stunning, and you can easily pluck these off from this stake, and then you can just build it into a wreath or into a tier tray or into an entryway. Like, you don't have to keep them on these stakes. $1.25. Yeah. Remember when it all used to be $1 though? I feel like that used to be so long ago. Okay, next up, I found a bunch of their little, like table decor, I guess you could say. I found these cute little haunted houses, and let's see, I'm pretty sure, yeah. There's a purple, which actually kind of has like a pink ombre with a spooky house. Then we have the orange, which is really lovely. And then of course the white. These are gonna be stunning to build in a tier tray or just put like in shelving, you know, just to kind of like give some spaces some like Halloween vibe. Even if you wanna like decorate your office maybe, you know? So there's that. Now these are brand new and I don't even know, like I'm still kind of shook by them. They're just these like porcelain, ceramic, I don't know, eyeballs, and they have different colored eyes. So I found blue eyes, green eyes, and then these are just like, this like a black and white, which is so cool. I don't know if they had another color eyeball, they probably did, but what? That is really cool. I love how creepy it is too. Of course, I'm thinking tier tray, but if you have any ideas on what to do with these eyeballs, let us know. That sounds weird to say. You know, like if you're up and about watching my video, maybe you're like cleaning and all you heard was, let me know what to do with these eyeballs. Oh. Okay, next up, I found the containers. Now this is actually the only container I found. I know Dollar Tree has done more because they usually do. This is a brand new print and I actually really love it. It's for sure giving us vintage illustration, and I really like these. And for whatever reason, I think the sweetest thing to do with these is to like bake homemade cookies, put some wax paper liner in here, stuff them with some fun Halloweenish homemade cookies and like give them to your child's teacher, or just take it to work, you know, put it in the common eating room. I don't know, let people pick a cookie. I don't know why I love the idea of cookies in this thing. But this is the only pattern that I found. They also have purple lids, and maybe that's for another pattern, but I thought black worked best here. But you can switch them out. So there's that. Okay, next up I found the potpourri. This is the apple cinnamon. Wanted to remind you guys that this is at Dollar Tree. This stuff is so fun and cute. Like, I wish I could do apple cinnamon, just cinnamon gives me a headache, but this potpourri is actually very nice. You could definitely put it like in a bowl, in a filler, in a guest bathroom or an entryway, or just like, you know, in your living room for your house. I also found it in a eucalyptus. Now they have other scents as well. This eucalyptus one is huge. And it's by the same brand. So I feel like this might be the old, outdated packaging, and this is probably new. They're giving us more for the $1.25. As they should. But this is so pretty. Like, look how gorgeous that is. I love the vanilla, so I'm looking for that one. Okay, next up, I also found this piece of table decor, and it's everything. I love this. This is definitely brand new. I've never seen this before. So it's a new decor piece out this Halloween season. Chances are there's more to these. I only found this one. However, I want to show you guys that if you are very crafty and you love to reconstruct and DIY things from Dollar Tree, this would be easy to like Mod Podge over and put something else if you don't like this illustration. Like if, for example, if your Halloween colors are pink, you could easily like redo this whole thing, you know, and it could be like a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want to it. I mean, I could definitely see the potential in that. All right, then here are the 2 cards that I picked up. This one I have hauled before, I think last year, Thinking of You, like Boo or whatever. I love him. He also is very vintage with his hat and his bow tie, and it's a gorgeous card in person because it has glitter. So it's a good one. And then I found this one. This one's new. I've never hauled this one before. I love the font and that it's like 3 colors, orange, green, black. I'm definitely gonna use this in a junk journal. So had to get that. All right, next up I found these coffins, and I don't know what else to say but run. Run for these because you can do so much with this. And honestly, I think I would prefer using these for gift giving. In a care package, in a gift basket, like fill these up with little trinkets or candies. Like that would be so darling. Love the iridescent. They are both like that, by the way. This one is not just clear. It actually has that like rainbowed effect into it. This one's more like a darker purpley green thing going on. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree. So this is definitely brand new 2023 Halloween. So completely obsessed. They're labeled as containers, but obviously they're gonna be great for decorating with as well. But I just think putting like snacks or something in it would be really cute. However, keep in mind that this doesn't say anything about being BPA free because it's probably not. So just something to consider. All right, then I picked up a pair of these socks. Now I already hauled some of these, I already have some, but I wanted to get some again because I really wanted it for the black with the lines. I thought they were so cute. I want to start wearing socks with like the lines. And then you also get pink and purple. I got those. Then I found Crafter Square put out some new beads. They're just like marbled. Thought I'd show you guys that there's a new product. I love this. I love when we get like seasonal stuff, but they're still pulling in new products for other things throughout the store. So this is Crafter Square in the blue label. That just means every day. It's not seasonal related. This is random, but I wanted you guys to know I've never seen this at Dollar Tree either. Blippi Band-Aids. I mean, this guy makes hella money. Like he started on YouTube, right? And he just blew up. Now he's got Band-Aids. You know, I don't even know what to say. I guess you know you've made it when you've got Band-Aids. Then I found the ever popular in my world, the Jot labels. You guys have heard me rant on and on and on about these, obsessed with them, but you don't see them very often anymore, at least not in my Florida stores, not in my Dallas stores. They're just hard to come by now. I don't know if they're just not restocking them and you're just finding like leftover, but I'm obsessed with these labels and I use them for my book logs. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, I'll try to find a video. I'll link it down below. Okay, next up, checkout aisles. Always do your shopping in the little checkout aisles because they put in a lot of new little stuff. And I found these little lip glosses and the little diamonds. This isn't the first time Dollar Tree has done like this concept, but this packaging and this brand is new. It is, I was gonna say it's Dollar Tree, but I don't think it is. This is Body Raves. It's lip balm. The blue one is vanilla scented. The purple one is strawberry scented. And the green one is watermelon scented. Vanilla, strawberry, watermelon. Super cute. Also, never too early to shop for stocking stuffers. I usually start my shopping in October. I don't have it in me to do any sort of Christmas shopping in December. I can't. My brain, I can't. I gotta be done. Anyways, then I found these, and I am so shook by this find right here because I'll actually watch TikTok videos where girls like make these like crocheted animals and like they just sell them and they make a ton of money, and Dollar Tree selling them like this little like make it yourself kit. So you can make this little bear. It comes with everything you need plus the instructions. I don't think it has the crochet hook. It's a complete kit. Then you've got a little pink bunny, Presh, and a little dog. And there's probably more, but this is what I found. This is also brand new from Crafter Square. Is that it? Did I go through? Oh, that's it. I spent $44.50. So that divided by $1.25 is gonna give you the number of items that was in today's video. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also my sweater. I actually had one of you guys request me to bring this back in my Etsy shop, but this is in my Etsy shop. It's one of my favorite, like top 5 in my whole like Etsy shop. And the sweater is incredibly soft too. So anyways, yeah, I do have all of my Halloween stuff up in my Etsy shop, by the way. So if you wanna go check it out, my Etsy shop is always linked in the description box. And that's it, and I'll see you guys. My brain literally just stopped working. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.